Hi, hello everyone, this is Mimi from the blog I'm Not a Stylist, and I'm going to show you how to conceal dark under eye circles using yellow concealer. I already have my face prepped with my Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation primer, and I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in the color Classic Tan. I believe that's CS12. And I'm also using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Golden, and the Maybelline Cover Stick Corrector Concealer in the shade Yellow to cover the dark circles and the hyperpigmentation in my face. I have this side of my face done, and as you can see through my glasses, you don't see any dark circles under my eye, and you can also see that I have no hyperpigmentation on my chin. And on the right side, on this side of my face, the left side to you guys, I'm not wearing anything. You can see the dark circle under my eye, and you can see the darkness on my chin. And it's very noticeable actually through my glasses. So let me take off my glasses to show you what it looks like without my glasses. Again, this side of my face is concealed with the yellow concealer, and this side is normal. Now, excuse me, if you wear glasses like I do, the center of your face will be darkened by your glasses, and it will also cause shadow to fall on your lower eye. So when you're wearing your glasses, it will make the darkness seem darker in the center of your face. And it's very bad, very, very bad. You don't want to make the center around your nose and your eye socket darker. You want to brighten that up as well as your under eye. So you need to have the correct tools to color correct the darkness. I like to use a foundation brush because sponges and your finger shear out the products too much, so to do their job it'll just be gone. I also like to apply my color corrector and my concealer after I apply my foundation, because otherwise, again, the foundation, as you apply it, will completely wipe away any of your efforts to conceal the darkness. So I'm just going to do my under eye to show you the technique that I use, because if I do any more than that, this video will be way too long. You guys will be bored to death, and you'll give me a thumbs down rather than a thumbs up, and subscribe. Yes, subscribe. So first, let me turn on my light. Woo, that's bright. It's a spotlight. Load up your brush, and what you want to do is apply the color to where your eye is darkest. So you're going to apply it here. That's where you want to concentrate the color and work it out and in and up. So the other thing you want to do is you want to apply the color by patting rather than swiping like this. Swiping like that won't do anything except shear out the color too much, and you want to concentrate the color by patting it in. See? Patting it in like that. Not rubbing it in. Patting. As you get up to your eye socket area, you can use your finger to blend in the color, because you do want to shear it out up there. And then again, if you have darkness right here like I do, concentrate the color there and pat it in rather than rub. Just pat, rub it in. As you get to the edge, you can use this little pat rub stroke to blend it in to your foundation and the rest of your face, but otherwise no. And then make the application sheerer where you have less less darkness, which for me is right in, this section right there. Can you see how I'm dark here and through there, but not so much in the center? You still want to apply corrector there, just not so much. And also make it darker. Lighten your application as you go up to the under eyelid. You don't want it too dark close to your lash line. Just want to blend it in right there. Again, patting motion. That's all you want to use. You can now, as you can see, I still have that dark line right there. That's a shadow because my eyes are deep set in my socket. So what you can do to make that appear like it's coming forward and filled up volume is to take more of your corrector and then just concentrate it in that dark area right there. Just pat it in. Don't rub, just pat it in, because it will give volume to that section right there. And now you can see that most of my darkness on that side is completely whited out. See? It's gone. Now you apply concealer on top. Same thing, same way, patting, a little bit at a time, concentrating it on where you're darkest, blending up towards the lash line, in towards the socket. A little bit at a time. Blend it, pat it down on into the rest of your foundation. Using a finger to blend, shear it out where you need to. Get lighter with the application. Now what's left on your brush you can use to cancel out any pigment issues you have on your lid. You don't need a lot. I don't need a lot anyway. Okay, and then the last step is to powder. I like to use the Coty Airspun powder. It just has a pretty sheen and doesn't cake. I'll load my brush. Tap off the excess into the cap. Smooth out any creasing that might be occurring. Pat on the powder. This is just a Real Techniques crease brush. It doesn't work as a crease brush for me because I have hooded eyes, but I like to use it for setting powder. And use the same technique on my chin to cover any hyperpigmentations, and yellow perfectly cancels it all out. Let me show you what I look like. Turn off the spotlight with both my eye is done and my glasses on. Ta-da! No dark circles. Bye! Oh, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.